Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the nasty ghost touch bubbles in your tablet for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So it's a very simple fix. Let's get straight into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your device manager. So you're just going to search for device manager right here. Okay, click on enter. Okay, and then here you're going to search for human interface devices right here, and each of you should have multiple. I have only one, but if you have multiple, do the same thing. Just double click on it, go into power management, and if this option is checked, just uncheck it and then click on OK. So do that for all the devices that has been listed. If you have one device, just do it for one. If you have multiple, just do it for multiple. Okay, so after that you're going to go into your control panel, so close that and search for control panel. Okay, so here you're going to set your view by large icon, then you're going to search for ease of access center. Click on that.
Always scan this section.
Okay, that was weird. Okay, so here you're going to search for pen and touch, which is not here since I'm on a desktop computer. So you're just going to click on the option, and you should have visual touch option.
Start magnifier.
Okay, so sorry for that. So you should have a scan for visual system option right there. So I'll put a image right here showing you. You're just going to uncheck. That will be checked, so just uncheck it, and once it's unchecked, just close out of there, close out of here, and restart your system. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped, and yeah, thanks for watching, folks.